says Slay the Day that my mom got me. This sign that says Little Babe Cave, and this mirror, gold mirror. And now when you walk in my room, this is what you see when you first walk in. Right when you shut my door, I have this little key holder, and I just have a cute pink bow right here. Then I have a FAU like cookie. This is actually a cookie, and I thought it was so cute, so I didn't eat it and I hung it up instead. Shout out to one of the dance girls' moms. She's the one who got them made. Then right here is where I keep like majority of my shoes. Right here is the towel rack thingy that they have in every room. I have my beach bag right there, so like whenever somebody's like, hey, you want to go to the beach? I have like everything in there, so I can just grab that and go. I have my 2 towels, my face one, regular towel, then my robe. Okay, this is my school schedule, and then this is like a white corkboard thing, and I just put random stuff there. Then we move over, and it's like the little space in between my very large fridge and the wall. I have a mop and a broom and a vacuum cleaner that all fit right there, so when I need to clean, I use that. Then I move over a little bit more, and starting from the top, I have this fan. I put it really high because then it gets the whole room. That was microwave. And I have my little fish. His name is Fuego. Say hi, Fuego. He's so cute. I love him so much. Then I have like paper towels and tissues. Then here's my fridge. This is the basketball schedule and like all the basketball players. And then I just have like random things, and this is like the alphabet. I don't have no explanation. I just wanted something to be on my fridge, so I got magnets. Then we move over, and this is like my desk area. I have this here. This is actually a tablecloth that I use for my Sweet 16. So now I use it to block out the sun and for decoration, kind of like a tapestry. And then right here I have like all the fish stuff that I use, a travel mug, my banana holder that obviously has bananas. Then here's my desk. I love my desk. There's a lot going on here. I have my cup, my diffuser. I love my diffuser. I use it every day. My utensils, pencils. This just holds random jewelry. This is still on December and it's January, so I should probably change that, but it's just like a little other calendar. And then this is my light that I got from IKEA. I love this light. I recommend this light. It moves and everything. Then I just have like my earrings hanging there because, yeah, that's a mirror. This is also a mirror. When you open it up, it turns on as well. Then I keep my beauty blender. I have another diffuser here, but this is an air diffuser, and it doesn't work the same, so I don't really use it that much. Then I have my speaker, a Flanagan's cup, and a candle. Random, I know. Then here is where I keep all my books for classes. I am in 6 classes this semester, so I have a lot of books and one backpack, so I just switch in and out for whatever books I need. And yeah, this is my calendar, my laptop. This keeps like papers and my printer paper and Scantrons. I have a lip balm right there, glasses all right here. Another pair of glasses that I swear are pink, but they look red. I don't know why. And then I keep like my jewelry in that, and I like it because like nobody really knows it opens. Well, of course now y'all do, but who cares? Then this is something that I got at my graduation party. It's just a whole bunch of like advice and tips for college. Probably should read those. I really need help. I keep my purse right there. And then coming around to my desk, under it, by the way, I just keep my 2 cheer bags, like my travel duffel and then my regular backpack, because I do cheer for FAU, so I keep my cheer bags under there. And here I keep like utensils, like forks, knives, spoons, scissors, can opener, tape, bottle opener, potato peeler that I don't know why I got. I don't use it. Paper clips, safety pins, clips, straws, and then lashes. Yeah, I have like lip balms and just stuff that I use at my desks and for makeup. Like, I don't know, random. And then here is another random drawer. Don't even want to open it. I have so much random stuff in here. A big bag of candy that I do not need. More lashes, index cards, a thing from Bath and Body Works for like smells and whatnot. Down here I have like more makeup. This is all my makeup down here. I keep like my highlighting kit, and this is just a little bin that I got from Target to keep finger food snacks in, so when I'm sitting at my desk I can just eat something when I'm hungry. I keep my backpack here, another textbook. Here is, I don't know what to call this, it's just like a gold thing, and I put my keys here now since I don't have a lanyard on it. And then I keep a hat, another lanyard, some glasses, pictures, a card, my graduation hat, and then up above that it's like a heart wreath, I think it's called, I don't know, like a circle of hearts, I don't know, it matched that, so I put it there. Then I move over and I have these two little decoration thingies on the side of my picture cheer thing. I keep all my bows and pictures from cheer and stuff like that. Then I move down here and this is like my kitchen. I have my coffee maker, mugs, cutting board that I don't use, my little what do you call that? I forget what you call that, but it like cleans your water. And yeah, and then just dishes, and then more stuff for coffee. I have like stuff for tea down there as well. Then here I keep a whole bunch of food. Literally, I got all the snacks, okay? Snack galore under my bed. And then right here is my printer, and I love it right here because then I just print stuff and I just take it out. Well, I actually grab it from under here. And yeah, it's just conveniently away. Oh, and then I have my little picture printer for like Polaroids and stuff. Like, I love that thing. Bed part. I have, okay, starting from the top, pictures that says she's going places. That's from Hobby Lobby, I'm pretty sure. An owl mirror, like it's a mirror but it's an owl, and I just have it there. I don't know, it's really cute. My dad got it for me. I have this picture line thing of hearts, and here's my bed. It's like velvet, there you go, it's velvet. And I just have like pillows over there, my chargers right here, blanket, and then right here is, this is my blanket that has my name on it, and then it's actually just like a thing that I keep actual costumes in, like for Halloween and other textbooks. Then I have my pink rug, my thing that I keep all my clothes in. On top of that, I keep stuff too, like just random stuff. This is like a desk that you go on your bed. I don't ever use that either. Here's all my like cleaning my clothes stuff is under here. This just has random stuff in it, like, yeah, that's just random stuff. I think that's like a towel. Then my laundry basket, one of two laundry baskets that I have. And quick tip, don't bring two laundry baskets to college. You will never do your laundry. I'm so lazy, and I'll let both of them fill up before I decide to do laundry. And I just have like my step stool because my bed is freaking high. Like, my bed goes to my shoulders, so it's really high. Plus I have my little bed risers, and it's at the very top, so it's a really high bed. Then under my bed, which we're not gonna get into, but I'll show you guys, like, it's just a chest with storage and everything, like toilet paper, a cooler for the beach, like it's just a whole bunch of random stuff. And in that tub I keep like everything that I'm not using, stuff that I will use to move out. That's actually what I put all my clothes in when I move out, so it just stays under my bed. boots. That thing's a cot for when people come in, stay with me. They can sleep on that. Then I have my very loud speaker. Like, this is so loud and booming, like it could be used for a party, honestly. Then I have my little lamp. I love this lamp. It's from IKEA, and you can like move it and maneuver it, and it's just so cute. It's copper color. I love it. And then, oh yeah, that's from my graduation as well. People just signed it, and I have it right above the head of my bed. Then I move over, and this is the wall that you see from top to bottom. So right here is just the B. That is another just full pictures. I love pictures, so I have pictures, pins, and like random stickers. Then here is a light that goes around. It like turns on, and it's pink. And I thought I was so clever because I have a hat right here, right? But I like hid it so it doesn't look so ugly on my wall. And then I have like a random mirror. Don't ask me why it's down there. Then here's our little calendar. I'm right here. Here's my marble tapestry. And then this is my TV space. Like when I lay here, I just watch the TV this way. And this is what you see from top to bottom. Coming from the top, I have a picture that says, "She believed she could, so she did." And then a smile picture. Then this is just my TV and a blank picture thing with Boca Raton FAU stickers, you know, whatever. I should probably put a picture in that. I have pictures. Haven't done it. Don't know why. Then I just have my perfumes that I use. This is a charging station thing. You just like set your phone on top and it charges, so it's another convenient thing for when I have like multiple people in here. Then here, I obviously keep my clothes in here, random shoes, and then I have my candles that you're not supposed to have in a dorm, but I like candles, so yeah. Then behind my TV is a whole bunch of random stuff, okay? Like, don't judge. It's stuff that I've been liking, like the scent of, stuff that I can just come to and grab really fast. So it's just like stuff like that, my hair stuff. That's not my toothbrush that I use to brush my teeth. It's for them edges, okay? So yeah, then I have like Downy, obviously, you know, cleaning wipes, my Gucci belt back there on top of popcorn. So we love that. This is my air cleaner. We come to my closet, and I just put 2 pink curtains because I just thought it was like so much cuter than having like a hole. And my closet is stuffed to the max because I literally have so many clothes just from going shopping too much. Because I promise you I didn't have this many clothes here before, but you know, shopping's like my worst enemy. But anyways, those are all my shoes. And then here are like 2 things that, okay, I would pull them down, but I'm not trying to do that. What I have in there is just stuff that I don't know where to put, or just extra stuff. Like I have lights that I used to have in my last dorm that like more decorations and random other stuff in those bins. Then I have my clothes. And then over here is where I keep my chips and my Victoria's Secret water bottle. But like, it's just chips that hang right there. And then over here, it's kind of dark over here, but over here is where I keep like my toiletries, like everything else. Those are like cotton swabs. We go down and it's like my nail stuff, and then like feminine products, just lotion, stuff like that. Then on the side, I have my dirty clothes hamper that I fill up my trash can, Gatorades and waters, which I should probably put those in my fridge, but they just stay there and I just grab them when I want them. Then over here on top, I just keep like paper plates, bowls, and cups when I'm trying to like leave or not do dishes. And I have like my hair stuff in here. This is my medicine cabinet, but my medicine drawer. I just have like a whole bunch of stuff, more hair stuff. Over here is like my spices, peanut butter, you know, stuff to eat. This is my containers, more popcorn. And then this is like soups and yeah, salsa. Freaking spaghetti sauce. And then right above that I have like this little bin thingy, and I just keep a whole bunch of makeup wipes. And what else is in there? Makeup wipes, toothpaste, an FAU towel, batteries. It's just a whole bunch of random stuff in there. Okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any video requests that you would like me to do, then just comment them down below and I'll make sure to try to get them done. And yeah, have a beautiful, blessed day.